Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea. I know it's been a long time, but a lot has been happening in my life. I'm actually filming this on my phone because my camera is still back where I used to live. So as you can see from the title, I have officially moved to Austin, Texas, and I am thrilled about it. It's been a long 2 weeks from the time that I accepted an offer with a new company here and to this point where I'm finally settled enough to make this video. I intended to make one last week and kind of do a empty apartment tour, but unfortunately things were moving so fast that I did not get a chance to do an apartment tour. I just have a clip I'm going to put here in a few seconds that just shows you what my apartment looked like. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that and get back to I'm gonna let you guys watch that, and then we'll come back here and I'll tell you the whole story. Okay, so that was quick, as you can see, but that is an overview of my apartment. It's not well filmed because I did not intend to use that as my empty apartment tour, but now you see what I'm working with. So that leads me to some of the directional changes of my channel. I do interior design as a passion project, and so I intend on doing a lot more of those types of videos. So now you've seen the empty apartment tour, and I will just be filming bits and pieces of me putting my apartment together. I'm mostly unpacked, but there's still some reorganization I want to do. But basically, I'm really excited to be in Austin, Texas. My first thoughts in my first week here, because today's Thursday as I'm filming this. I'm going to release this video tomorrow on Friday. And, oh, my arm hurts. My first thoughts this week are, wow, it's busy here, but wow, it's beautiful at the same time. I came to Austin because I needed a fresh start and I needed a place with a lot of activities so I wouldn't be tempted to stay in my house all the time, which I was very tempted to do in Dallas. So I barely had a social life, barely had friends. So yeah, Austin has been great so far. I'm already making new friends. It's only my first full week was Tuesday, but first week from Monday to Thursday, it's been a lot going on. I still have a few boxes to unpack. I'll show you here. There's a lot going on here. A lot of boxes to unpack, but I'm truly excited for all the content I'll be doing. A lot of luxury interior design videos, a lot of how to do your library, how to make your bed perfect, how to coordinate, how to think about the themes in your house. So I intend on releasing a lot of that content because currently I am on a freeze when it comes to buying new purses and stuff. I do still need to do my video on my birthday gifts because I did get those. I just haven't had a chance to film anything on that. So I'm gonna do a what I got for my birthday video. I got a few things, so look out for that in the next coming weeks. I might do that next week, actually. Yeah, I'll do that next week. So there's that coming, and then there is like I said, all the different parts of my apartment. I'm gonna do like a desk decorating video. I want to make sure that it's useful information for you guys too, who really enjoy having your place looking a certain way, and so that when you come home, it's your sanctuary, your place of peace. So I'm so excited, you guys. I'm sorry for the back and forth because my arm keeps hurting after a while of trying to like put it up here. And I'm not using the front facing camera because obviously the one on the back has better resolution. So I did not really get into my spiel about subscribing and all that, but you guys know that you're not new to YouTube. If you like what you saw today and you're also excited for my move to Austin and all the wonderful things I'll be putting up for Austin stuff and interior design, this is still a luxury focused channel, still personal finance, all that. So like I've said in the past in my videos, my channel is about personal growth, personal finance, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So all my interior design stuff is just going to go under the all things luxury because, you know, having a nice place is a luxury, and I really enjoy that part of my creativity in, you know, doing interior design. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, comment, whatever. I'm not even completely sure the view of how I'm recording this, so hopefully I like it so I can upload it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. It was a quick video, but hopefully you got the information that you need. So I'm going to be back on regularly scheduled programming once a week, every week. Hopefully I can increase that frequency eventually when I reorganize all the things in my life. But for now, once a week is still a good sweet spot for me. And I'm really excited that you guys have been subscribing, even though I haven't been consistent with my content. So I'm at 114 subscribers. I think it's partly thanks to that video that I have, like, I don't know how many thousands of views I have now, but the honey shapewear whatever video. So hey, if you're watching this, I'm glad you're watching. I'm excited. Austin! I'm in Austin. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.